Want to track location and distance in Pokemon Go but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to turn on Adventure Sync in Pokemon Go. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on the Poké Ball which is at the bottom of your screen. After that, click on the settings icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on General. To turn on Adventure Sync, tap on the slider button on the side of Adventure Sync. Then tap on the Turn It On button. You need to give location permission in order to turn on Adventure Sync. To give location permission, tap on the Take Me to the Settings button. Now select the option Allow all the time. After that, go back to the game. Tap on the Allow button. And that's how you can turn on Adventure Sync in Pokemon Go. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.